Look at yourself right now. You're not tired, you're not lazy, you're dopamine addicted. Your phone, endless scrolling, cheap pleasure on demand. They trained your brain to choose comfort over strength, and that's why you feel weak, distracted, and stuck. You clicked on this for a reason. Because deep down, you know it. You're living in the same hell I once lived in. Every night you say, just one last time. And every morning, you break that promise again. Slowly, silently, you start losing yourself. Because when you lose a war against your own mind, you don't just feel weak, you feel empty. You feel empty. No one told you this. So listen carefully. You don't have a discipline problem. You have a hijacked brain. And if you don't take control now, your future will look exactly like your past. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the exact system to take back control of your mind, your energy, and your life. Watch till the end. This might be the moment you stop being weak and start becoming unstoppable. What? Dopamine resets you. Grab your phone every 10 minutes. Reels, stories, mindless scrolling. Your brain is overstimulated and broken, and until you fix your dopamine system, lust will control you like a puppet. For the next 7 days, no phone binging, no social media scrolling, no entertainment overdose, only work, books, silence. Your brain needs boredom again, so normal effort starts feeling with powerful. This isn't a detox. This is a declaration of war against the weakest version of yourself. 2. Visual control. What you see is what you become. If your feed is full of explicit content, you're programming failure into your brain every single day. Unfollow everything that triggers you. Clean your Instagram like your life depends on it. Delete your watch history. Block the websites pulling you back. Your brain is a hard drive. Garbage in, garbage out. For 1 week. Consume only educational and self-improvement content, and watch your urges start dying on their own. 3. Physical exhaustion. Used energy turns into lust, so exhaust your body until it has nothing left. Heavy workouts in the morning, sports, running, or physical work in the evening. When your muscles are tired, your brain shuts up. Channel your testosterone into the gym, not the bed. 4. Urge replacement. Suppressing urges is hard. Replacing them is easy. The moment an urge hits, cold water on your face. 20 push-ups. Go outside. Call someone. An urge is a wave. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. It passes. But if you sit with it, scroll, negotiate, it's over. Urges haunt your enemy. They're signals. They mean you have energy. Now decide where that energy goes. 5. Anti-boredom system. Most relapses don't happen from strong urges. They happen from boredom. Alone. Nothing to do. And the thought appears. That's why. You need a plan before the moment hits. Keep a reading list ready. Learn the skill you've been avoiding. Build a side hustle. An idle mind is lust's playground. A busy mind is discipline's battlefield. Stop giving the devil a home in your head. So ask yourself right now, who are you? If your answer is, I'm the one who always loses to my urges, then you'll keep losing. But the moment you decide, no, I control my body and my mind, the fight changes. Self-control isn't a superpower. It's the foundation of everything. If you can't control yourself, the world will control you. Lust doesn't expose your weakness. It exposes your truth. So decide now, and if you're ready to become the man you were meant to be, comment I'm ready. Like this video and subscribe to Inspire Path.